Hi everyone, this is Sudeshna from the Abundant Psyche, and you are listening to the Not So Corporate podcast. Here we talk about all of the not so corporate things that we corporate entrepreneurs end up doing within and outside our corporate lives.
So, the next thing that we are going to talk about is what is happening in your life right now. We can want any amount of money, we can want any amount of success or agility towards achieving our vision. But if our life doesn't support it, guess what? We can't get there. We just have to be cognizant of what is happening in our lives right now. Just to give you an example, one of my friends, she used to be a McKinsey consultant and she always wanted to start a business. But she was really aware that she wanted to have a family and a financial nest egg before she wanted to venture out into that entrepreneurial journey. And that's brilliant because she was aware that she wanted to mark the pit stops of consulting, doing a corporate job, getting married, having a family, and then venturing out further into her entrepreneurial journey. Now, you don't really have to do it like that. But what you need to understand is that will your life support all of the career decisions that you are making? Do you want your career to be supporting your life? Or do you want your life to be supporting your career? Because there's a big difference. If your career is your life, and it very well may be, and that's excellent if that's the case, but be very cognizant of that. And then your choices will be reflected upon that automatically. Whereas if you think your life is slightly more important than your career, you have to make your career choices that support your life as well, and life choices that support your career as well. So one of the things that I tend to talk a lot about beyond the LinkedIn and the CV reviews, well, we can talk a ton about that. You can download checklists from my website. I have a whole course on that, and if you are a part of the corporate career change program, you probably already have access to that tiny little excellent course. But yeah, we can talk about CVs and LinkedIn's and whatnot. But ultimately, if your life doesn't support your career and your career is not supporting your life, you have a massive misalignment. So, what I want you to do for this exercise is figure out what is it that is happening in your life. Does that help you in achieving your long term vision? Does that help you in impacting society or the world or people you want to influence in the way you want to? Or is that in misalignment? And if you find a misalignment somewhere, you have to be the person to correct it. You have to say, I do this and then the other thing, or you have to let one go, or you have to manage your time better, prioritize, and you have to bring in a holistic view into why is it important to do what right now and what is important to do next. And that is how you get to this career path and life path that you want to have. Now, will it always go to plan? Of course, it won't. But planning is extremely essential because without planning, you are just a lost person looking for answers. But if you have a plan, if you have a goal, even if it just means your next goal, even if it's just 6 months away or a year away, that is very, very tangible as opposed to I want to be a millionaire when I'm 80, and you have no plan of getting there. You need to have a plan. You need to have milestones that get you to your final destination, but also you need to understand what are the other components that will affect this plan. What if my family becomes quite demanding and I need to spend more time with them? When is it that I can do my entrepreneurial venture? And you might say, like I say most of the days, that I'll outsource some of this work to this person and I'll be operating the machine behind. And that's what I do. Or you can say that I'll stay up 1 hour later in the night and not watch Netflix, and therefore get in there and do those extra couple of hours of work for my venture. You have to own this yourself, and you have to know if your life is going to support your career or your career is going to support your life.